This video tutorial is about removing the new ransomware called IOR. In the video, you will find out why exactly this ransomware is called like that, IOR. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware on the files, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, but unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular IOR ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. And then, after it is injected into the system, users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this IOR extension to the file names. So this is what happens. You try to open the specific file, and then the message comes up that Windows can't open this type of file with the IOR extension. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security application. And I recommend you to use the program called Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. You may do that through either of your available browsers. So go to the page combocleaner.com. If you cannot use your Google Chrome browser, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, for example. And so then download Combo Cleaner, install it, and start researching your system. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.